Hello everyone, myself Nainesh Bhutt. I have completed my post graduation in MCA. After that, I was confused about my future. At that time, I came to know about Iconic Infoware. They guide me to proper technology, which is very helpful for my future. I got totally positive response from them, and I have joined Iconic Infoware. I have completed my training on web developing at Iconic Infoware, and I would like to share my experience about Iconic Infoware. They have fully experienced trainer who help us in solving all our queries and give us a complete knowledge. The company have very disciplined and fully friendly environment with all facilities. Friend, I suggest all of you before selecting about your future, you should visit Iconic Infoware. Thanks a lot for hearing me. Best of luck to all of you for your future.